different India.
Have you checked out Kodiala?
Yes.
Oh,
The golden temple.
it's good that you already come yesterday. Chalo.
19th Street.
It's too good. He's all in
Congratulations already.
What's up?
So how was the where your
Parkin.
Parkin.
Not bad. God. No, nice.
हाँ तो thanks. अरे नहीं.
Hello.
I like how Aman is dancing on the song. Where's Lokesh?
Hello.
Nothing different right now. What happened to singing, guys? You're awake, white, or yet like he's not even
लेने तुझे ओ गोरी आए तेरे सजना मेहंदी लगा के
Guys, we have 5 hours to do only this.
लोकेश
Like
यार
legit 5 hours, only want to be doing this.
को एंटर तो करने दे फिर कर देंगे.
समझा बुझा के देखते हैं दिन दोपहरे सेकते हैं चल बने नई कहानी बेइरादा सड़कों पे तारीखों को ढकेलते हैं चल वहाँ जहाँ न हो गया चलो मैं वहाँ सभी हो समा जहाँ तू चला साथ सदा चलो मैं वहाँ सभी हो समा जहाँ तू चला साथ सदा सभी हो समा साथ सदा
कुछ क्वेश्चंस है या फिर ऐसे ही बात करना है?
questions sir? You have to give one medal to the bride, a golden medal. What would that be?
Drama
about?
queen.
That also give drama.
I should have said 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, all of us
would have said drama queen.
You can.
हाँ, बिंदास is right.
She has no filter, nothing.
मैं बोलता ब्रो ग्लास रखते थोड़ा awkward हो जाएगा. 1 minute.
नहीं ग्लास रहने दे so that if you give shit answers they know this is the.
ये भी ठीक है.
तू किनली रखा.
Each one of you guys gave the most dramatic advices after their fight.
So we always saw Lokesh is right, no matter what happens.
Talwar and Lokesh,
Yeah.
she's the one.
Like if Lokesh
Who's
talks
most
to another
effective?
girl too much when he was in college.
He's Talwar, Sautan.
Talwar Sautan.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
Not middle finger, yeah. Actually, for him, I need the middle finger. For him, it's still better. So this guy, we are missing him because he's in the States studying and making it big. This guy has not made it big, but his heart is very big. We would like to say that about him.
Aisha does. Anju Mazi has correct Aisha.
Yeah, she saw. I saw it.
That's what I wanted to say. You all told me she just cried. You didn't say it was because of the scream. But you just shut up.
Where's Lokesh? Lokesh, go sit next to your to-be wife. Feels so like this childhood dream you should discuss and it's coming true.
गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया चोरी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई हाय गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया चोरी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो
So some of us have planned something very special to say for two of our most favorite people.
My most favorite way anyone ever addressed me was sister girl. To everyone here that didn't go to school with us, a sister girl is someone who can only go home from school if her sister picks her up. That was the beginning of when I knew I wanted to hold your hand through every walk you take.
When you see a couple who has been together for 11 years, you realize something important. They are not just in love, they are in a long-term, non-refundable contract.
Sometimes in life, two people meet and right away you know that they're soulmates.
I loved Sim since she was 3 years old. I loved her when she stole my artwork and won an art competition. I loved her when drama made us stop talking.
On the other hand, I've known Lokesh for just as long as I've known Sim. And our relationship has had its own ups and downs.
I have a best friend in Dubai whose name is Simran also. And I used to tell Keval that if we have a daughter, we'll name her Simran.
Welcome to the family, and you are really blessed. I don't know how many times I've told you this, but my brother is something and we truly admire him.
He was always a son and not in-law. And that's what I see in you, Lokesh.
You're such a gem yourself. And today I can truly say that both the gems are together.
I loved her when she bullied me. I loved her when she changed from a person who always pleased others to always now choosing herself.
That was the beginning of when I knew I wanted to hold your hand through every walk you take. Even if it was the one from Pettit to Marina to start with. Talking about making every single person around you feel loved and special, invoke Lokesh. Everybody's favorite person. Anyone who's ever spent any time with Lokesh knows that he's your confidant for life. Every single human being here knows he's here for you and he actually means it.
Okay, firstly, thank you so much for everybody for just coming here today, right? Today we have the closest people with us. Today's day is only and only so that we can celebrate with our closest people around us, right? And that's all of you guys. So we can't, from the bottom of our hearts, we can't really thank you enough. From our side...
Love you, boy.
We love you!
We love you too. If any of y'all, obviously y'all are all here because y'all know us so well. If y'all know anything about us, y'all know how much we love like personalization and we love like, you know, having one-on-one conversations with all of you. So just a little bit something, we've written letters to each and every one of you and your names are here.
Oh, wow.
So whenever you get a chance, please find your envelope with your name.
No way.
Wow!
Thank you. Thank you. And we really are happy that all of you are here and we love you all.
Just from our side, a thank you from our side that we couldn't express our feelings. We tried to do it in words, but believe us, it was a really hard time for us to do it. So please find your letter. Thank you so much for being here, and yeah, let's continue living. It's in the envelope.
Lokesh, you want to share the envelope or share the feelings?
We are happy we made it to your list.
Come on, please some applause.
We feel so privileged to be in your list.
2025 के best तैयार है.
Make the party rocking. And yes.
I don't know कौन सा print हुआ है, but
एक ही मिला तुझे अभी.
there are two proper letters.
Until you walk was fine. And you, that is quite a word. You are not just some girl. It's quite a word.